I found this sick piece of ice. Well, it was something wrong with the freezer, and look at this. If I can even pick it up. I think I will have to show you why it's inside there. It's way too heavy. That's the ice. And this is ice. So the ice that came out of her fridge. Someone's gonna walk in it. Let's see if I can try and pick it up. There. Well, I couldn't do it too long because it's so cold. And watch. Just gently set it down in there. Make my hands warmed up and try and do it again. Bye, guys.